بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. معكم سليمان عفتان. حاب أشكر المنظمين في منظمة السعوديون في أمريكا، وكمان الملحقية الثقافية على هذا المعسكر الغني بالمعلومات القيمة اللي استفدناها منه. وأشكر جميع القائمين على المعسكر، من الدكتور عبد الله العمير والأستاذة ميثاء الشمري والأستاذ عادل داود، على ما قدموه من معلومات شيقة ومفيدة، فأشكرهم جزيل الشكر. اليوم راح أقدم إن شاء الله الفاينل بروجكت في هذا المعسكر، وراح يتكلم عن Saudi Cars Price Prediction Data Set. أنا هذا المسمى الموجود للداتا سيت هو Saudi Arabia Car Price Machine Learning. داتا سيت هي أخذت من موقع opensouk.com, which is a second-hand market platform. It was collected from the capital city of Saudi Arabia, which is Riyadh. Number of instances are 560, number of variables are 11, and features are 10. The owner of this dataset is الأخ محمد. بعد ما استدعيت جميع اللايبريز الخاصة بهذا الداتا سيت. قمت باستدعاء جوجل من جوجل كولاب للدرايف، لأن الداتا تم تحميلها على جوجل درايف عندي. بعد كده استدعيت الداتا عن طريق هذا الكماند file path، وهذا هو موجود في الدرايف عندي، وطلبت انه يظهر لي 5 rows of the dataset لكي اطلع على الداتا بشكل اوضح، واشوف كم في variables وكم في features للدataset. كما هو واضح، موجود city, car mark, model, years, conditions, and so on. بعد كده I passed this command to the dataset to check if there's any missing values, but likely I don't have any missing values in the dataset, which is good. So also I passed this command to clean dataset. If there is a missing value on the rows, it should be dropped. And I print out the dataset after cleaned, and it looks fine. It looks as it is, which is great. And I jumped to the descriptive statistics. I passed this command to the display descriptive statistics, which shows me years, kilometers, and price. These three main variables that has a good information, which is the count, mean, and so on. So I want to see the dataset as a statistics point of view. So I passed this command to show me figures of the dataset, which is creating a histogram of the price column, set the plot title, and set the X and Y labels. As you may see here, this is the distribution of the car price with the frequency and the price. Also, I want to see, because I will pass the dataset to the machine learning, so I want to see what is the dataset will be gathering. So I passed this command to create a plot for the clean dataset, and it shows me where's the most of these cars and the models and the mark of the cars. And For the machine learning part, I pass this command for scikit-learn models for training, and I use linear regression as a model for the machine learning. In this command, as the year and kilometers are the most features, and so I decided to make them as a x and price to be the y. And I use one hot encoder category, which is city and car maker. In this command, I have splitting the dataset into training and setting dataset, which xtrain, xtest, ytrain, ytest. This is the command that I creating the linear regression model. And this command to fit the dataset to the model with xtrain and ytrain. After the model has been trained, I ask the model to predict the testing data. So I pass the y prediction to the model. And as you may see here in this is the calculation of the mean square error. And this is the calculating for the R square score, which as shown here and on the result. And for more viewing, I visualize the dataset as these plots with the linear regression model performance to see how's the performance for the model with the prediction. This is the predicted values, and this is the true values. So you may see the model did very well on the prediction. Here you could see the distribution of the kilometers of these cars, and here are the relationship between price and year among all the prediction dataset. For the second part, as Dr. Abdullah Al-Umair provide these questions, I hope I answered them with my little ability, and I hope that these answers that Dr. Abdullah is looking for. On this question, I pass, for example, the age of 35, and it shows me adult, because Dr. Abdullah asked us here to categorize an age if it's 13 or under. It's between 13 and 19. If it's under 13, it's going to be child. If it's between 13 and 19, it's going to be teenager. And between 20 and 59, it's going to be adult. And if it's older than 59, it's going to be senior citizen. Yes, in this command, we defined two parameters, the num1 and num2, and calling function with the value of 5 and 7. In the last question, I passed a number of 10, which Dr. Abdullah asked us to please enter a number, any number, and it's going to be like a loop by divided by 3. So I pass a number of 10. I hope this video explained the final project for this camp, and thank you so much again for this opportunity to learn from the best. Thank you.